Okay guys, welcome to Total Technology, and I am Supratim back with another video of this Panda series which I left incomplete. First of all, sorry guys, I couldn't come earlier as I was busy with some my official work and the pressure was there. So again, sorry for that, for not giving or completing the Panda series, which is one of the prerequisites of learning the machine learning. So hope you guys will enjoy today's video of this Panda series, and today we will discuss about group by features of Panda. Now what is group by feature? In group by feature in Pandas is basically it's if it is a given a data frame, it basically split the data frame, then apply a function and then combine the result. So it is a split, apply and combine type things. Now if I say you like that, it would be difficult for you to understand maybe. So I have an pictorial representation of group by or split, apply, combine. So say, let's say this is my data frame, and in this data frame you can see that the day, city, temperature, wind speed and event column is there. And if you look at the city column, there is a New York, Mumbai and Paris city. So basically, if by applying group by, we can group the New York city's data in one data frame, and in Mumbai, for Mumbai another, and for Paris another. Basically New York, Mumbai and Paris, you can think is it is like that, a dictionary. The key is New York, Mumbai and Paris, and the value is a data frame of this. So it's a pretty powerful and unique function which you can use for your data handling purpose. So enough of talking, let's do some coding now. As usual, I will use my Jupyter notebook which I already opened here. So let's open Jupyter notebook which I already opened, and let's code. So basically what we need to do is import pandas as pd, need to restart the kernel which is not working, don't know why. Okay, now as we already import it, now let's read the data frame. Data frame is equal to pd dot read csv. So basically pd dot read csv, and our csv file name is weather by cities. Okay, that file actually is not under that path, so I hope it will run now. Okay, so here it is our data frame, and now let's operate a group by function in it. So data frame dot group by. Now here you want to pass the now here we will pass the name of the column by which you mean to group it, and if you run it you can see this pandas group by blah blah blah. And now this will create this type of thing which I already showed you. This group by city will now create a data frame of group by in which the key is New York, Mumbai and Paris, and their data frame value is this. So if you want to access it, you can iterate it by for loop. Say for city data frame, let us assign it in G, and print city, print city data frame, and run it. Oops, my mistake. So here you can see that for city it is showing Mumbai, and its day, temperature and wind speed, it's appropriately grouped this. Now to get say suppose you want to get one value for Mumbai, or you want to see the data frame from Mumbai, so you can use it by G dot get group and your key name means Mumbai, and you can see that, see its temperature, wind speed, event for the Mumbai for the date it is showing. Now say if you now this method is called actually split apply combine. Say your city is this and your temperature is this, it's first split your cities like New York, Mumbai and Paris, and then you can operate different function on average. So say you are doing average, so you apply this and then it will combinedly give this. If by example say we are giving G dot max, and let's say what it is giving, so it's showing the maximum temperature of each city. Mumbai for this date the temperature, the maximum value is 92, wind speed is 50, wind speed is 15 for New York and for Paris. Or also you can use G dot mean and similarly G dot mean, it will give you the minimum result. Or also you can directly get g dot describe, it will show you the statistics. See, for Mumbai temperature, it's showing the count, mean, standard, minimum, 25%, 50, 75. For wind speed, it is also showing like that. Also, you can do the matplotlib. So for that, matplotlib inline g dot plot. And then if you see for city Mumbai, New York, Paris, each one by one it is showing the temperature and wind speed plotting very beautifully. So that's it guys for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this Pandas group by feature. And one more thing I would like to add, that you can also do different type of aggregations or function. You can use also define function which can do some other things in this group by feature. It is a pretty powerful one, and you can always do a Google like this Pandas group by feature and read the documentation. Here you will find the all the things you can do with this group by. All the parameters and things are related mentioned here, and you can tinker with it. So that is guys for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learn a lot from it. We will continue with this Pandas series. In our next video we will discuss about concatenation and merging of data frames. So that's it guys, see you in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, share our video, and drop your comments whether you like it or don't like our videos, or which improvement you would like to see, or which new series you want to do from us. We are also thinking in future to give you some IoT and Raspberry type tutorial and coding. So hope you guys enjoy it. Bye bye and see you on